Doing another one with my Dragodin deck, my Dragon Paladin. Since I won, I've got to keep it going.
Urel versus Tyrande.
I cannot find eternal rest, and neither will you.
The light guides us.
Okay, not bad. 2 imbues to start with. Which means I can keep that guy around.
Greetings from the old days.
If you hear me eating, it's because I'm having ice cream for dinner, lunch, whatever. Start myself off with a little taunt minion. That'll help me out.
Bipedal and sword.
I'll have 3 imbues by the time level 4, which would be nice.
The glade is suffering.
Welcome to the jungle.
Greetings from the old days.
Thorn in your side.
Yeah, I'm not going to focus the minions. I'm just going to heavy hit them hard. Although... that one needs to be hit hard. So...
Follow the fruit.
oh! I screwed up! Oh no! I was supposed to kill that one.
Thorn in your side.
Oh well, I'm just going to hit the fucking... the character hard then. Sorry, the hero.
Feed my children.
Find me in the dream.
Doubt I'll get lucky enough to get the Chrono Lord again early on, because that one is a huge help, especially when I get my other imbued dragons out. But I'm already at 3. All right, let's get rid of this dude.
The roots led the stream.
Bye bye. Wipe the board. Now I'll get 3 cost dragons that pop up.
To where would you like to go?
No fate is inevitable.
Another realm awaits. What pretty petals!
Awaken! Step forth into the time ways!
Petal perfection.
This is why my old reliable deck.
The sands of change flow through you. The sands of change flow through you.
Alright, so we got. Alright. Okay.
Petal perfection.
The world tree heals all.
Alright, if I have 10 corpses, I'm not even up. Yeah, nice. That was perfect, actually, to do. Oh, there's a Chrono Lord. Yep. I just need some imbue cards to run after it. I gotta wait for Tier 10 to use this properly. Until then, I need to...
Another realm awaits. Our time is now. Step forth into the time wave.
For a Mirtrasil!
Whoops. That's on me. I didn't leave my
You
deck
fight us
well
the
enough.
ancients did.
But either way, they lose. Oh, very well. Well played.
Impressive.
Sorry. Forgot to mute my mic. I honestly wanted to wipe my board. Shit, con.
For a Mirtrasil!
But now that I'm this level, I go like this. Go like this.
For a
This.
Mirtrasil!
Job done.
Oops. How'd that happen?
I'll take another swing.
Unless this person has the 40, heal themselves for 40 health on this turn, they're kind of screwed.
Not. It is finished. You win.
Yeah. Why'd that last one not rank me up before? I should have already been ranked up. That's weird.